Hey guys, it's Lindsay Anna Jones, and we're going to review some products. Alright guys, before we get into this, I am sorry for my appearance and the way I sound, because I'm sick, and it's just the way it is. I'm sick, my whole household is sick. Keep us in your thoughts and send us them good vibes, because we need them. So today, we are coming back to the products that I did first impressions on 2 weeks ago. The Olay Eyes, sorry my sticker's kind of coming off there. The Olay Retinol24 Night Eye Cream and the Olay Retinol24 Night Moisturizer that was fragrance free. So far I'm loving this. It's really helped my skin a lot. I feel like, as I said, right now I'm sick, so don't take that out on the product. That's me being sick and not being hydrated enough while I am sick. So, as you can see, I'm not quite as dry in these little spots, and my bags under my eyes are much better than they were, and I can't breathe because of sinuses, but my skin feels great. My skin's very breathable and very, moisturized from the lotion. So, at least something can breathe, just not me. So, that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with these products, so I'm going to keep using them because I like them. They're good. I would recommend buying them if you are having problems. As I said, you can't tell right now because I am sick, but they really are helping with my dark circles and the, aging lines around my eyes, which are where my problems are. And I feel like a little bit better about turning 28 in 4 days now that, I don't feel like my crow's feet are as evident. Do you guys feel like my crow's feet are as evident? Do you? Do you, punk? I'm almost 30, I can say that now. Just kidding. Sorry, I'm having some real issues with my birthday coming up. Does anyone else have issues with that? Anyone else like starting to get close to that 30 mark and then they're just really feeling like, huh, I'm really freaking old? Because that's what I feel like. I feel really freaking old. Like every day inches closer, my back just hurts more. Do they make some like freaking anti-aging cream for your back, or is that just Icy Hot? That's who I need to sponsor me. Icy Hot, you hit me up. We'll work out a deal. Be great. It'd be great if you guys sent me free Icy Hot. Be ecstatic. I'm 28. I shouldn't feel this old. I also did little clip videos in between these past couple of weeks that I will insert here so that you guys can see kind of the transformation. But yeah, here's the couple of little clips. So it is morning 3 of using my Retinol 24, and I had this little guy pop up. But that may be just hormonal, and I'm a little bit dry here and here, but that's just kind of normal because I don't drink enough water. So, excuse my hair. I'm kind of looking a mess because, as I said, it's morning time. But yeah, that's just from where I was wearing my glasses on my forehead because I'm nearsighted and I don't need them to look at stuff. So when I'm looking at my phone, I just kind of pop them up here and look at my phone without my glasses. So, guys, we are 5 days in. Please excuse my crazy ass hair, but that pimple is still there. But I think it was more of a hormonal thing because nothing else has popped up. My skin feels really good. I'm going to pop off my glasses here and show you. Yeah, my dark circles kind of aren't as bad. That's just from where my glasses were pushing up on everything. And yeah, I actually think my skin looks a little bit better. And it's only been not even a week, almost a week. So it's been a week of using my new Olay Retinol24 Regenerist Nighttime routine. I guess that's the word. And yeah, I still have a little bit of redness, obviously, in my dark circles, but I feel like my skin looks pretty good, actually. I did, as I said, it's a post and earlier. I had a breakout, but it looks fine now. Yeah, it just kind of closes up on my skin. I have a little bit there, but it's also getting to be that time of the month, so that's going to happen. So yeah, my hair's crazy, and I've been having a rough couple of days because my medicine got all messed up too, so like that can be affecting everything also. But as for right now, I'm really kind of liking this, so yeah, kind of liking it. Maybe I found a new product. Hopefully. Well, guys, send me some good vibes for tonight. Hopefully we're not up all night because everyone's sick. I'm going to go ahead and leave in the links down below, so you guys can go ahead and get yourself some Olay Retinol 24 products, and the night cream and the night eye cream. As I said, they are great. I want to also thank Influenster for sending them to me. I really, really greatly appreciate it. I want to thank Olay for sending them to me also. I appreciate being selected for this opportunity, and I really, really like them, and I liked reviewing them for you guys. So thank you. I appreciate you, and I appreciate this. All right, guys. Until next time, I'm Lindsay Anna Jones. You guys stay gold. See ya. Bye.